Guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect the Lovable AI with Supabase, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us post more daily tutorials and videos. First, connect your Lovable account here and open your website or landing page. Click on that website or landing page name and over the connectors. Then the search bar type in here Supabase and click on it. Now just click on connect Supabase. Here you will be asked to log in your Supabase account. Just head over to Supabase and log in or log into your account, and here allow permissions for Supabase connection all over there. So we must add your email and password and click sign in, and in this way Supabase and Lovable AI will be successfully connected on your selected project here. For example, it's the landing page for your company, and this is pretty much it, guys. Your work is done. If you find this guide helpful, please consider to subscribe to our channel.